I'm Ryan Morland. I'm the Assistant Project Manager in the Active Travel team. This is Jamie, my guide dog. He's been my guide dog for 3 years. We live and breathe active travel, and it's exciting to be part of a team that's making that a reality, walking, wheeling and cycling for so many people. Well, I found the application process very simple. I saw the job advertised on LinkedIn. The instructions said don't include anything about any sort of protected characteristics or anything, just put your experience. When I got shortlisted, it was quite reassuring to know that I'd been shortlisted on my own merits. So it was my first interview going to a job interview with a guide dog. So I was a bit nervous, but I was put at ease straight away in the interview. A couple of weeks later, I heard that I got the job. They provided comfortable bed, nice water bowl for him, and for myself, they provided me with an adaptive laptop with screen magnification and screen reader. The colleagues are really friendly, really amazing. Although I must admit, I think Jamie is the most popular new colleague. I just tag along.
Seeing firsthand that Ryan has brought lived experience to the role that he's got at Transport for Wales, not only in what he's doing, but also helping the rest of the team to understand that. And I think the more lived experience from lots of different people that we have within the team, the better. It's been great to see Ryan engage with the team and Jamie sitting alongside the team. They've really changed the dynamic in the office, and I think it's made it a better place to be and to work, and I think all colleagues would say that.
Most blind and partially sighted people are unemployed and really struggle to find employment, and part of the reason for that is actually employers not sure how to implement things like reasonable adjustments. So when we find a perfect example of that, where you have a new employee and an employer who want to work together and they seek advice from outside sources, and in this case it was us, Guide Dogs Cymru, who were able to support that. When that works really well, it's really worth celebrating, because it might encourage other organisations to take on disabled employees, particularly blind or partially sighted people. And there are a lot of concerns sometimes about guide dog owners coming into someone's work environment. They think it might be disruptive and what have you. Actually, when you speak to employers who employ a guide dog owner, the truth is that it tends not to be. And you have somebody with lived experience of sight loss. Now, from that lived experience, the people that work with that person in their team, they gained learned experience of sight loss. And that can only be beneficial to the organisation. So we really seek to highlight examples of where guide dog owners have been employed successfully and there's been high levels of reasonable adjustment made. There's been successful.
In terms of anybody that's looking at joining Transport for Wales, I'd encourage them really to apply, trust in us to look at how we can work and make reasonable adjustments for them. It's a great place to work, the environment is fantastic, and I'd really encourage anybody to apply.